must be made of men, cause I remember how they died on me. I could've died on me. It's cold.
Yeah, sure.
Trying to keep my soul. Going, they trying to break my heart.
I see, I'm glad we finally talked and that we finally cleared the air.
You heating up, Lavish?
Yeah, it was really nice hearing your voice. Ako tuwing sa Facebook na I like your song yung tamo tao. Otherwise, abo.
Ella no vuole sorrisi, ci sta. Never beat the level, just talk como la the first time when we really mad. Yeah, I really used to think that I don't stand a chance. Bringing a loot, I thought you've been looking for somebody who's got the pass. Oh, you're never the last. I made my move and things seem to be escalating well. But things don't always go the way we want them to. I hate the ring of bell. I've been wondering whether these tracks have been reaching you. Cause I've only got 2 questions for you. And number 1, was I even that important to you? And number 2, was there anything that you say I've been teaching you? Cause I say you told me a thing or two. I'd be lying if I told you that I'm missing you. I know the thought of us not been together killing you. Know you've been keeping that nigga around cause he promised he wouldn't do what I did to you. And you believe them too. But I ain't even mad at you. Yeah, otherwise please do send my regards to the family and tell them I still think of them too. And I've been trying to see what I can do. Sure. And now it's 4 years later. Lady Lashona Wangishi, I got left to pray. And Ukarabo is still doing fine. I pray the Lord don't take her. And deep down, yeah, I'm still hurting. Even though I don't get the show. That's what I'm gonna keep putting. Like a hurry, guess I've always been in doubt at the goal. Yeah, float down my approach. And I know that feeling when it's hard to express yourself. Cause you actually scared of stepping on people's toes. And I know there's a couple of things I said I stopped doing, but I'm still doing them. And some I may have done under the influence, but some I still did them out of my own will. And no excuses. You are the fool I am. And then show. En nou, zij er niet veel man gekregen. Wie is bij je qua voor mij? See, I used to think when something's real, you ain't gotta worry about anything. But I guess life forces you to worry about everything. And now who's to blame? Am I to blame? Now fuck it, yeah, I really take the blame. Yeah, I'm the blame. Well, my flashbacks since I was told Sakumbula, you was actually my first support. The first song that I did it for you. And I sang it for you. The same time, big as a value record. It said to get it both. The first song we had the thing got on emotion. And legs, well, I ran all over floor.